guys, today we are going to be making slime, and I have a special guest right here.
My name is KK.
Kumari. And you already know me, Asia Murray. So, we are going to be making slime just again. And I will be back. So we're back.
So we
have glue. We have a regular bowl. We have water in one bowl. And we have borax. So, you pour the first step. Wait, I'll be back. I'm back. So, the first step is you pour some of this, if you want, or the whole bottle, but I'm not, in the empty bowl.
So this one.
And this one.
Just make sure it goes all over the bowl, but not a lot. Or you could use the whole thing if you want.
I know.
Okay.
I'm on the prayer now.
So
we will be back.
Do this. No,
Don't do that.
Why you keep telling me to do that?
We'll be back. So your next step is you will have.
Can I get syrup in it?
Yeah.
What is it?
Sorry,
cake.
we're doing extra stuff. So I'll be back.
Sorry.
So you pour this in the borax in the water.
What, you don't like it?
No, I need syrup.
It's hot. Can you give me a spoon or something so I can mix this?
Pause it.
No, because you don't like when I pause it.
Where's the syrup?
Oh, there's a little container in there.
Is that the Christmas one?
What?
You can't look for nothing. Yes.
I don't want that one. I'm using this one. That's Christmas.
And I need spoon.
No, I don't. So you mix it around. I'll be back when I'm done mixing it. So I'm back. I'm done mixing this. So your next step is you pour this, the borax and the glue.
Hold on before I say it and punch you in your nose.
And it starts looking like.
What borax look like?
They know what borax is. And it looks like this. Starts looking like that. And I forgot something. We'll be back.
Okay, peace. Make a lot.
So I forgot to show y'all one step.
No,
this is what borax looks like if y'all didn't know.
And French toast.
My cousin just reminded me with this to
Show
y'all that. So, yes.
Okay.
So this is what it looked like. You let it sit for a little bit, or you don't have to. Where that spoon thing at? I can just use this.
And I was using that.
Give me your bowl, Kimar.
So you mix it around.
I'm in a lot.
Dang, Kimar, you want a lot.
I'm hungry.
Kimar, don't do that on here. Act like you never eat. So you do this. It looks like that. And you just, ew.
It's gooey.
Good.
It's slimy. See?
And it's slime.
Are you really on YouTube?
Yes. Why wouldn't I be on YouTube? What would I be on? Lively? I can't do it this like. Why would I have a picture of a camera right there? So it looks like this, and then you just knead it. If you don't know what knead it is, it's just put it in form. It's a little. You just do it like that. Why would you put that in front of there?
Oh, sorry.
And then you just
So this is the gear.
It's smash it.
Hello.
And it looks like that. Let me get one.
These are cold, Nana. Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta let them sit in there a little longer.
Okay.
Is it okay if the syrup is still on it?
Yeah. It's just gonna melt into it. Then you gotta put more. But you don't gotta put more. It's gooder when it melts into it. But
Look
it
how it
looks like
turned out.
this. Now look how it turned out too. I know it's a little, but and
It's gonna
thank
get
you guys
bigger
for
if
watching
you
my
do
video. Subscribe down below, comment down below the next thing you want me to do, like and subscribe. Don't
Wait,
forget.
not yet.
And sorry for the interrupts and all that stuff in the background, but have
Wait.
fun watching it.
Wait.
Bye. We will be back. Another.
Nana.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.